Pivotal Advisors has been instrumental to my success. There's so many things to be thankful for. The knowledge, the experience, the tools, the processes, but honestly, what I'm most thankful for is the people. People like Mike, Gary, Bill, and a whole host of others. They genuinely care. They want to know you, your business, and what you want to accomplish so that they can help you find the answers to get there. I especially enjoy the monthly peak meetings. I'm in the in-person group, and I love the connection that's made with other sales professionals trying to accomplish the same things that I'm striving for. My favorite is when we dive into issues. Everyone brings an issue they're facing, and the rest of the group gets to ask questions, dive deeper, and by the end of it, you pick a course of action to solve your challenge. I would recommend if you're struggling in sales, reach out to Pivotal. If you're good at sales, reach out to Pivotal. Wherever you are, they will find opportunities to grow you to the next level. Like a good workout routine, it just works if you do it.